This is a certified pre-owned 2009 Acura MDX. This vehicle has seating for 7 adults, a 3.7-liter V6, and all-wheel drive. Its top features include a multi-link rear suspension, heated seats, dual-zone climate control, 10 perfectly positioned speakers, XM satellite radio, and a tire pressure monitoring system. The following features are also included: a navigation system, a rear-view camera, 18-inch alloy wheels, traction control and stability control systems, xenon headlights, an electronic throttle, a rear spoiler, advanced compatibility engineering body structure, steering wheel memory settings, and this vehicle has less than 60,000 miles. This Acura has had only one owner and it qualifies for the Carfax buyback guarantee. Please call us today for more information on this great vehicle.
Acura of Baton Rouge is located at 13550 Airline Highway in Baton Rouge. Our goal is to exceed all of your expectations to ensure that you'll return for future visits.